Soaring the skies, smart cleaning. D50R solar panel cleaning drone. Sunlight bathes every solar panel, and our D50R solar panel cleaning drone stands as the protector of this fast green energy ecosystem. D50R comes with aluminum alloy frame, lightweight with minimal vibration, doubled in strength, and resistant to deformation. Foldable body design for easy transportation, reduced volume with rapid 30-second deployment and secure fixation. The D50R solar panel cleaning drone features a 50-liter onboard water capacity, a newly designed high-pressure water spray system, support for multiple nozzles operating in parallel, oscillating nozzle cleaning capabilities, adaptability to various operational environments, delivering efficient and safe solar panel cleaning solutions, utilizes a lightweight, high-pressure brushless water pump with high pressure, large flow rate, rapid large area rinsing, and intensive cleaning. Approximate cleaning area at 30.5 square meters per minute. Capable of 5 flight and cleaning cycles per hour, covering up to 690 square meters hour. Estimated daily operation of over 4,800 square meters, delivering ultra-high efficiency. Integrated waterproof and dust-proof flight control module with stable, reliable performance. Built-in dual redundant ATK modules ensuring centimeter-level high-precision positioning. Supports automatic planar route cleaning, ensuring comprehensive and residue-free cleaning. Significantly improving operational efficiency. Intelligent battery with fast charging feature, meeting high power demands. During maximum flow cleaning, a single battery can support spraying the tanks of water. Equipped with a high-performance handheld ground station featuring a 1600 nit, 1080p high brightness 7-inch HD screen. Leading the future with innovation, transforming the world through technology. Embrace the D50R solar panel cleaning drone. Now, embrace the era of intelligent cleaning.